Hi everyone, here's a video on how to do nail stamps on dip powder. Here are my supplies. I have the Zippy Dip number 2 and 3 liquids, and I have some Scotch tape. From Maniology, I have a stamping plate, stamping polish, and a scraper. I also got this jelly stamper, which is what you use to transfer the stamp onto your nail from Maniology. So I'm going to place the stamp on this green finger, my ring finger. I just got done applying the powder and doing my activating with number 2 and then buffing. So next I'm going to grab my number 2 and I'm going to apply this to the green nail that I just buffed. And next I choose the design that I want on the stamping plate. I'm going to put a little bit of the stamping polish onto the design. And I do this immediately after applying activator to my nail. You want to work pretty fast. I'm going to get the scraper and scrape off any extra polish on that design. Then I get that jelly stamper and I push directly down onto the design. And as you can see, it transfers right on to the jelly part of the stamper. So now I'm going to use Scotch tape to kind of clean up the design. I only want that one Christmas tree on my nail, so I'm going to use the tape to remove any other design that's on the stamper. And once we like how everything looks, we can transfer it onto our nail. I do this by holding it over my nail. You can see through the stamper to see how you want to place it. Then you push down firmly and pull directly up. And then you have that super cute design on your finger. Stamping polish dries pretty fast. I let it sit for about 3 minutes before putting a top coat on. Then after it's dry, I'm going to grab my number 3 and I'm going to go in with my first coat. Now, even though the stamp should be dry by now, you still want to make sure not to smudge the stamp, so I make sure to have plenty of liquid on my top coat brush. That way the brush doesn't actually touch the stamp. Then after about 10 or 20 seconds, you can go in for the second coat of top coat, making sure to seal the edge of your nail. Let that dry for 3 to 5 minutes and then you're all done. Thank you for watching.